I've been messing with this Kawasaki for, I don't know, about a month. And I got the pipes on, I did the carbs. You'll read about it in the Exhaust Notes blog. But, so I'm going to start it up. I don't want to lie to you, I already started it, but man, it cranked right up. So, I got this little gas tank. I just turn that on. Get in there. And I just got it rigged temporarily to ignition here to this battery. And then this is the starter. I haven't got any wiring on the engine, so I've just got it hot wired.